Okay, let's take a look around my studio. I'm going to show you what I use and tell you everything you need to know to dive in. The tips that follow are for everyone, especially if you're new to playing with acrylics or pouring. In the very first module, you'll get this PDF that shows you everything I use, where to get it, and what it's for. Many of the supplies I use I find in my kitchen and in my bathroom. Even if you have no paints and art supplies, you can get started with a fairly low level of investment with fluid art. I've set this course up so that you can, without too much effort and without too much cash outlay, dive in and explore. Some items you may have on hand. Make sure to check your kitchen and your bathroom. Some you're going to have to source. One more thing about that PDF, please make sure to read the last page about being a responsible artist and learning how to dispose of your acrylic paint wash water in a planet-friendly way. It's easy enough to make gorgeous art sustainably and help protect our beautiful planet. Thank you. What you're looking at here is 3 of the 10 drawers of paint tubes that I have. This can get to be a habit. I mostly use the brands you see here, many of which are student grade. I'm getting really good results almost across the board. If you don't have a stash of acrylics at all, I'd suggest 5 to 7 colors to get started. Pick a spectrum, colors that pop for you, that call to you. Most of my work is in the oil slicks part of the spectrum, just like my hair, but that's me. You do you. The colors you choose for your acrylic pours are going to interact in such astonishing and amazing ways. Trust your gut. Make sure to look at getting some metallic paints as well. I use light gold and rich gold and copper all the time. Titanium white is a must-have for your base layers. Maybe get a bigger tube of that. Floetrol is my pouring medium of choice. Occasionally I've added some water or matte medium, but mostly I'm a Floetrol purist. Here's a quick recap for you that you could screenshot if you like, especially if you're a beginner. That wraps up the high-level view of what you need to get started in the e-course, even if you've never painted before. Jump in, get your hands in the paint, express yourself, and make your mark. I can't wait to see you on the course.